Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Wednesday, hump day. Excuse me, always when the camera's on. Anyway, Cast Iron Wednesday. Decided to do a breakfast burger because September is the Cast Iron Cooking Challenge for Wednesday is eggs. So I've got one right here. I'm going to do a breakfast burger with bacon. I'm going to put it on Texas toast because I'm going to use up the bread. And yeah, let's get to it. Because I'm combining my two great loves. One is breakfast, the other is burger. Well, I guess three loves because I love food. That's just a little bit of butter I dropped in a pan when I was putting some in my skillet for the egg. So, got my egg ready. Alrighty, so while our bacon is wrapping up, gonna mess up our burger almost. So I got the 93% ground beef because it's basically gonna be sitting in bacon grease. Nice. Alright, well my bacon got a little crisp, so flip that patty over. Turn the heat down just a bit. I'm going to give it just a little bit, and then I'm going to turn the egg on. Or turn the burner on for the egg. Alright, let's get our egg going. Looks like it broke the yolk, but that's alright. Could be worse. Add a little black pepper, because I like black pepper in my egg. I guess we can go ahead and we're going to go with Swiss cheese on the burger. I gotta say, the season on this little pan is pretty damn good. Go ahead and kill the burner. Alright. Got just a little bit of cheddar cheese left, so I'm going to sprinkle that on the egg and let that melt. Turn the heat down on that. So I'm just using a Texas toast, like I said. Nice. That egg out. I hope that showed. It might have been too far away. Alright, we're going to finish the sandwich off. Something that might surprise a lot of you is I'm going to put a little salsa on there because I like salsa on eggs, so why wouldn't I like it on a burger? There you go. One breakfast burger. One patty, bacon, egg, cheddar, Swiss, all on a Texas toast bread. And now we gotta take a bite. Oh, and turn the burner off. Yikes. Might be a little big. I have to say, that's quite good. Oh, wow. Well, I'm going to sit down and eat. Well, this is the point of the video where I'll be holding up an empty plate to show you, but I actually just put it in the dishwasher and then cleaned up my whole mess. So, you know, but it is what it is. But anyway, that was a tasty burger. Yes, it was on bread. I just used what I had instead of going out and buying buns. You know, that's just what you gotta do sometimes. Just gotta go with the flow. So, as always, have a good one. We'll catch you next week. Until then, peace out.